Hello everyone, my name is Constantine, and today I'm going to start working on one of my owner-operator trucks, and looks like the clutch is bad and I need to replace it. For this job I need maybe like 2-3 days to complete it. I'm gonna show you my temporary shop for those 2-3 days. So this is how I set up everything. So my tools, pliers, wrenches, my electrical tools, my working tape. So this is my wrenches, my studio stuff, my liquid stuff, sockets, wires. So this is my sets. So let's see how I'm gonna replace that clutch, and stay tuned.